You should take a suggestion from somebody who are into academy, जिनको बातें समझ में आती है और जिनको बातें नहीं समझ में आती उनकी बातें नहीं समझ। So somebody is doing CA has done CA 20 years back, suggesting you to do a CA. You will not fit into a CA. Please do not. क्योंकि वो अपने हिसाब से बता रहे हैं बेटा सीए का करियर बहुत अच्छा होता है। अरे आपको अकाउंट्स में इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है। Why will you go for the CA? If you're not similarly, if you're not interested for mathematics, आपको समझ में नहीं आता है।
कैसा है जो डिफरेंशिएशन है ना, there is no differentiation between one or second institution. It is about you matching your profile to one institution. हो सकता है कोई इंस्टीट्यूट आप जो चाहते हैं वहाँ है, कहीं जहाँ चाह रहे हैं वहाँ नहीं, ये है। तो जहाँ जहाँ है आपके हिसाब से आप मिलाइए, जहाँ नहीं है उनको आप साइड रखिए और जब आप घर पे जाए तो 8, 10, 12 जो भी इंस्टीट्यूशन आपको जो चाहिए वहाँ मिल रहा है, आप शॉर्टलिस्ट कीजिए। This is how we wanted, and that is how the InterAct is made of. So you meet, interact, understand, and inquire everything about, so that it matches your profile, and then you can think of applying to one institution. This is how InterAct is. So no institution is bad, no student is bad. It is about matching your profile as per the percentile curriculum और जो आपको जानना है. Right, sir?
As engineer, you should be really, really good at coding, right? When you want to become, let's say, a lawyer, you should be understanding all the articles and everything. If you want to become, let's say, a business management graduate, you need to understand what HR, marketing, finance is. So these are your hard skills, right? But to be able to know tens and hundreds and thousands of things and then to be able to express it in front of people, and maybe the person who is going to be interviewing you in that particular room for your first big break, for your first big opportunity, it is very, very important for you all to be able to talk to them, to be able to convince them, to be able to show that yes, I am the person who is more capable apart from all these hundreds and thousands of waiting outside. If you look at the number of opportunities that we have, and if you look at the number of engineers and doctors and scientists and business management graduates and lawyers that we produce every year, आपको क्या लगता है? Is it on the same lines? No, right? There's a big difference. Only the best of the best are going to get the best of opportunities. The rest will have to slog it out. The rest will have to struggle. तो ये आपको decide करना, my friends, whether you want to struggle, whether you want to slog it out, whether you want to have a head start for your career. This is completely in your hands.
While you will be joining the college, you have a very, very nice time. Start working on the problem solving skill and critical thinking. These are two things that you can go through YouTube. Keep on finding the very nice lectures, free of cost are there. Try to just do a passive reading and thereafter try to apply called active reading. Develop these problem solving skills and critical thinking attitude. It will help you in your professional course more on in your life.
I'd like to give a few suggestions. Always have an attitude of API. API stands for ask, practice and interact. Ask means if you ask people a lot, you will learn a lot. And then you practice it, that means you are making yourself better. And if you interact, you make yourself a bit more polished. हमारी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम हिंदी में सोचते हैं and इंग्लिश में सोचते हैं. Yes or no? And Calcutta, of course, we think in Bengali, we translate it in English. That is where our processors are a bit slow. English जो लोग बोलते हैं बड़ी अच्छी अंग्रेजी जो लोग बोलते हैं उनको कोई ढंग से बोलना आती है what they do is they just talk English for the sake of talking because they think English, they expedite English, they practice English. आपको कॉपी नहीं करना है. Indians are the best in the world. ये मैं आपको छाती ठोक के बोल सकता हूँ because I want to 76 countries. And अगर कोई survive कर सकता है तो वो सिर्फ एक ही आदमी INDIAN Indian.
One of the features. So now understand one thing. Suppose you have done something, a course at Kolkata, and after completing that, you got a chance to be at US. You wanna go there, right? तब तो नहीं सोचोगे ना घर से कितना दूर है. Then you get a chance to work in Chennai. You won't think for a second moment that okay, fine, I'm getting a job in Chennai. I'm going to Chennai to do the job. Why then, while studying this? See, we are lucky to be in India, and in India we have diverse culture. The more you go out,
the more you look at other cultures, other places, other people, you're gonna learn a lot. First of all, the first thing. Second thing, it hardly matters whether you are at home or you are in distant place. Hardly matters to you because you are a student and you have a certain jobs to do, right? Which is like you have your assignments, you have your classes, you have your social activities, extracurricular, co-curricular, a lot of other things. So you're gonna be dead busy during your next 3 or 4 years which you are spending. So while talking to your parents, they are mainly concerned of few things. First is the safety, which they are looking for. Whether you will be safe somewhere if you're going to. Second thing, they will be concerned about your health. Will you be okay over there, right? And third, what kind of education you're getting. These 3 questions, if you can answer to your parents, it's quite easy to give it, right? So rather by answering to your parent, find out shortlist your universities which you are shortlisting, talk to them. If required, take your parents to the place, show them the facilities, let them get assured that okay fine, my child will be safe here in this place. They will be easily convinced. It's not like they don't want you to go out. It's like they're concerned about you to go out, right? So it's very simple. Find it out, look at things, take your parents to the place, let them assess, let them decide because they have been raising you since you born, right? They are very much concerned about you. Then I'm sure.